Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the rain sensor on BMW guys 3 Series. Okay, it's behind the mirror, installed right there. So stay with us guys and we'll show you how to remove and replace the rain sensor. Now, if that video guys, if you have any questions, let us know in the description, in the comments below. But you can find all the tools and parts that we use in the description of the video, and also we will have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart. So please subscribe, many videos will be made, and let's start on it now. For our job today guys, I'm going to show you, okay, we're going to need a small screwdriver and a plastic panel removal tool. Now, you need to move the mirror down, okay, like that, move it down. Now that plastic here, okay, let me see if you can get a little bit of light. Okay, that plastic piece will need to be separated on top and bottom. Okay, and if it doesn't work with that, we will use a small screwdriver, but you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to cause any damage. Okay, so if I give you a little bit more light, maybe this way. Okay, one clip came out. Now, what you need to do, you need to move the mirror all the way to the right, okay, like that, and you can pull that plastic out. It has 3 clips that snap together. One here, one on the bottom, and one on the very bottom, one in the middle, bottom up, because it's facing this way. Now, how you remove the second piece? Now, that second piece, turn the mirror all the way to the left. Now you can grab it gently out, okay, and pull it out. Later you need to install that canal in this rubber right here, otherwise it's not going to be put together. Also, you will need to make sure the cables are exactly in the same position as they are now. Now we have one wire for that sensor here that we need to disconnect gently. Okay, almost came out. Perfect. And after that, we have one more wire, big wire, for everything going in the mirror. So we need to press in here. Okay, and pull that clip out. Okay, like that. Now, how you guys remove the mirror? We need to go ahead and remove the wire now, okay? Let me see if we need to or we don't. For the rain sensor, if you have a rain sensor, I don't think we will need to. Grab your mirror and twist it clockwise. And it just came out, okay, like that, you can see. So now, with the mirror out of the way, you can get to the rain sensor. You can see you have 2 things that you need to push in with a small screwdriver. One on this side, okay, push down on it, okay, it will come loose, like that, a clip, and one on this side. Okay, 1 second. This one got stuck quite a bit. Perfect. Now, after that, you grab the sensor and you gently pull it out. After that wire, it has 1 clip here with a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to pry this one out, careful not to damage anything. Okay guys, and this is your rain sensor out of the way. So you can see that's how you guys remove and replace it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.